This is a recap for Thursday, January 6th. So today, we'll go to classwork. We started off by taking notes, and I'm going to show you where we took notes. If you go to, actually, let me delete this just now that I'm seeing it here. And these should be under resources. Here we go. Let's get that fixed. Okay. So we went to Pear Deck and we logged into Pear Deck and had our notes out that we started the other day. And if you haven't started a section of notes, start a section of notes called measurement. And there are 3 videos, one right here. So we took notes for about 15 or 20 minutes. So you can take notes on this video about different measurements and different types of measurements, and take notes on this video that talks about how to change fractions to decimals. And let's get there. Okay, so this is fractions to decimals. It's about 4 minutes long, so you can take notes on how to do that. It's a good process. And then finally, from decimals to fractions. And we took notes on how to do that, because as we go into this next unit, we're going to have to be able to switch between fractions and decimals and back again. And then let's go, that's all we did with the Pear Deck today. And then let's go back to classwork. Let's see. Oh, I'm in the wrong class. That's why this is a little confusing. Let's go to, we'll just go to period 3. That's where we had started. All right. So after taking notes for a while, then we worked on a booklet that you won't be able to do if you're following along at home. You won't be able to make that booklet. But when you get back, we'll help you make the booklet. But what you can do is you can do quizzes 1 and 2. So you can go ahead and do that. You can work on Marcellus the Giant, which is a Desmos, and it's self-paced, and you should be able to work through that. And you can work on IXL J1 and IXL J2. So we've only just started our unit on measurement and on ratios and rates and proportions, so we haven't got too far into it. So if you're following along, I haven't really demonstrated any problems in class yet. So I will probably do that tomorrow, and I'll post that video tomorrow in an update. Actually, one more thing. I'm going to go back to the stream, and I'm going to take something that we did last week, which is corrections, and the algebra unit test. If you have your test, then you could be working on these corrections from our algebra book. You do the corrections in the algebra booklet. So you go to this video right here, and it's an answer key for that unit test. And that's going to be important next week. That's going to be worth about 40 points next week. So that's another thing that you could be working on. And that is a recap for Thursday, January 6th.